have another Dollar Tree haul for you, and this is only one of the bags. I actually have two and they are full to their capacity. So if you want to see what I ended up getting, then just keep on watching. Guys, so I went to Dollar Tree, right? And I had a list. And there wasn't that many things on the list. It was probably like 2 things, okay? And the more that I kept walking around the store, I found some really great finds that I could not walk away from. So I decided to sit down with you guys and show you all the cool stuff that I found. A lot of the things, there was stuff that I needed as well. So in this bag, I ended up getting 3 tissue boxes. I really liked the design on it and the colors. You can see that. I picked up 3, one for me and one for each of the girls. And then this is where it gets really good. I don't know if you guys are ready for this, but guys, what? Like, honestly, are you guys seeing this right now? The bamboo covers? So I picked up 3 of these. So what I was planning on doing is taking these and replacing the ones that I have in the bathroom for like the cotton swabs, the cotton balls and all that stuff. So I'm really excited for this. This is adorable. This was the only size that they had it in. They didn't have any bigger sizes, but if they did, trust that I would have gotten it too. But anyways, that's that. And for the kitchen, this was the only thing that they had, but the color was just so pretty, I had to grab it. Look guys, little mini oven mitts with the silicone, but look at the color. Isn't that pretty? So I picked up 2 of these. For my desk at work, I think I have everything in this one bag. So I picked up 2 of these frames. And then I got these push pins to match. So I got 2 packs of them. And then I got this for the files, which I thought was really cute. And then I don't know how good it's going to be, but I figured for $1 you're not losing out on anything. But I got this tape dispenser. And I got this for my notepads, my sticky notes. I wasn't gonna get it because I had originally saw this at another Dollar Tree, but then when I saw everything together, I was like, okay, maybe this could work out. And the last 2 things in this bag is I got another one of the wooden butterflies. I'll list up here a link to the video where I did a spring DIY using this butterfly. I have an idea for one of my spring videos, so make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on, that you're subscribed, and that you're following me on all the social media platforms, so that way you don't miss out when I have that video out. I picked up this floral lip gloss, and I think I'm gonna probably put it in the girls' Easter baskets. So it's really cute because it has like dried flowers inside. So for my next bag, they had the most adorable cards, so I picked them up because I know that I have a few things coming up that I'm gonna need them for, but look at how cute. Isn't that adorable? Look at how adorable that is. They had so many, but these were the 2 that I needed, and I picked up some envelopes that would match it perfectly. Perfect for spring. But I thought that was so cute. I wanted to pick up more, but none of them really I needed, so I just left. Then for outside, this year I really want to start planting things and getting things ready for spring. So for whatever reason, this color like really drew my attention, this olive green or sage green, I guess. And I picked up one in black. So I really like these colors because right now everything on my porch is white. So I figured, okay, let's throw in some, I guess, contrast. I picked up this one, which I thought was really pretty with a little, what is it, lip here. And this one, they had it in different colors. They had it in like a cream color, I think like a terracotta color, but I thought that this was really nice. This looks really pretty to decorate the porch and the back porch as well. I picked up 4 black pots as well. Look at how nice this is. This, when I saw it, it just gave me like Target vibes. Like this would be something that Target would sell for only $1.25. Was not bad. They had it in white and the white one looked really nice, but I think that the white one, I don't know, I probably would have used it more for indoors, but like I said, because I have a lot of white outside, I'm trying to just make that contrast. So I got those and I can't wait to start this. I told the girls that I really want to get into planting and gardening. I'm not really that great at it. My mom is the one that's really good, and my daughter Ariana, she's really good at that as well, but I really want to get into it. I don't know, I just find something so peaceful about it, and then just seeing the progress of whatever it is that you plant, seeing it grow. So my goal this year is that I want to plant really nice flowers. I want to do vegetables and fruits and just see what happens. But I'm really excited about this, and I'm definitely going to make sure to vlog it so that way you guys can just see how I do it and what the results are going to be. So that's that. And then I picked up this really cute sign that it says that the garden is my happy place. See? And it kind of has that, like that green in it, which I thought was really nice. It's gonna look really pretty. I think I might put this in the backyard though, because that's where I'm gonna be doing most of my planting. And then for my porch, I wanna do a really cute sign made out of wood, but I don't know what it's gonna look like yet, so. I don't know, I feel like that's gonna be like my colors this spring. It's that green. This is what I absolutely loved. They had these in white, and they also had them in a wood looking material. So I got these for Easter. Guys, isn't that adorable? And it's not made out of wood, but the way that they painted it, it gives it that look, which is very interesting. I think I have a few rabbits that are made out of ceramic, and I think I want to try to like dip them and see if it gives me that results, or with a paintbrush to give it that wood effect. But I thought this was really nice because I'm really into now, so my style has changed, and I feel like what I'm gravitating more towards is modern vintage. That's what I'm looking for, just to make the house feel more cozier. So I got that. And then, oh, I also, since I'm showing you like Easter stuff, I got these Easter basket clear bags. I thought the colors were really nice. I just need to get the fillers and all that. I'm just starting early. And then I picked up these frames for a DIY project that I want to do. I saw something on Pinterest that really inspired me, and I will definitely let you know when I do that video so you guys can check it out. I picked up this for like business cards, because at work I have cards that need a stand, but I think I want to paint this in gold just to go with the whole theme that I have. But I really like the quality of it. It's a good quality. And then I picked up this really cute, I don't know if you guys can see that, a butterfly headband perfect for the spring. And then let me take everything else out so I can show you guys a little bit better. Okay. So for the girls' baskets, I found, like, I can't believe they have this at Dollar Tree. These are called shower steamers. So it says here, place the shower steamer at the end of the shower in a light stream of water, and do not submerge into the heavy stream. As the shower steamer gets wet, it dissolves and releases the scent into the hot shower steam. So it says do not use on your body. So I thought that this was really cute, so I picked this up in jasmine, Belle, Cinderella, and Ariel. And then I picked up this, these two flosses. For beauty products, I picked up this VO5 Heat Protectant Spray. I used to use this brand a lot when I was a little girl, so I want to see if I see any difference in it. And it has biotin, which is really cool. I picked up this LA Colors Beauty Wand, and what it is, it's a highlighter and a blush. So this is the highlighter, and this is the blush. I'm gonna swatch it really quick. So I'm gonna start off with the shimmer highlighter. Interesting, and it's a gel formula. So I'm squeezing. Can you see that? All right. Oh, and this is the highlighter. But I have to kind of like rub it because it is a highlighter. Interesting. It's a tinted highlighter. So there is shimmer to it. I think that this would be perfect for the summertime or spring. This is gonna be a lot of fun to do looks with, so stay tuned because I think I'm gonna do a spring makeup video. Now this one is a shimmer blush. So again, it has the little applicator, and we're just gonna squeeze it, and now it's fairly quick. It's a little bit more darker than the other one. So the other color was more of a coral. This one's giving more of like a rose. It feels very light, by the way, on my skin. Forgot to mention that. It feels like I have nothing on. So that was the first one that I did, and then this is the second one. So I don't know if on camera it's really picking up. It looks like they're similar, but they're not. So this one has more of a peachy tone, and this one more has like a rose tone. But it's very pretty. I can't wait to try it. I'm not gonna put it on my face right now because I have makeup on, but stay tuned because the video will be out on this stuff. Picked up this exfoliating dry brush. It was the only one that they had there, but I want to try this out for my skin. I'm gonna open it up to see what it looks like. So the instructions on this is that before bathing, gently brush your skin using long upward strokes. Start with your legs and then move up into your midsection and your arms. So basically, this is what it looks like. So it has an elastic strap. These are the bristles. And then it says here that the exfoliating dry brush is designed with premium synthetic bristles and has an elastic band for an easy grip. So I can't wait to try this out and see if I notice any difference on my skin, if it's smoother and all that other stuff. So I'm excited about that. I'll let you know if there's any updates. I picked up another one of their multivitamin face serum. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go, face serum. So this is very interesting. I saw this and first of all, I thought that the packaging of it was really cute, but it's the LA Color Shiny and Moisture or Sheer Finish lip gloss. And it looks like this is for the lips and for the cheeks. But the interesting part about it is that it says that magically tints lips and cheeks pink. So that should be interesting to try. And the color is Peachaboo. And then the lip gloss, it's a Peachy Pie. And it says the same thing. It tints lips pink. You know what? I don't want to wait to try this. I'm going to try this right now while I have you guys here. So just give me a second to take this lip color off and see if it says what it claims to do. I'm going to start off with the lip gloss. Look at how cute that packaging is. Look at how adorable little Peach is. Okay. This is what the top looks like. Should be interesting. And see how the color is up at the, see how the color is on the top. Can you guys see that? So it smells like peaches. I love the scent. It has a tint to it, I do see it. Now I'm gonna do this one on my lips, on the top one, and see. You can do see it's getting a little bit darker. I love how it feels though on my lip. It feels really nice. Look at the packaging. They did such a great job. It's so pretty. I like this. This is nice. Okay. I'm gonna take it. Concealer. Oh, look, even on my finger, it's already turning pink. So it's like clear, but then look. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and pick more of this stuff up. This is, wow, and it smells so good. The only thing is, I think the color is different though. I feel like this here has more like of a peachy tone, where this one is more pink. But they're both very pretty. So I think that this is gonna be my new summer go-to. This is really nice. And yeah, guys, so that's basically it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. And if you like more videos like this, make sure that you leave a comment down below. I hope that all of you guys are well. As I mentioned in all my videos, and make sure that you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok, because I'll post things that you may not see here on YouTube. And I appreciate you guys following me, liking my videos, commenting, all that stuff. So thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.